All right, so this is a video about how to find the area of a circle. And so as you can see, this is a circle, or as close to it as I could get, and it has a radius of 4 centimeters. Now, a radius of a circle is just half the length across. And so some parts of a circle, we have our radius, which is half the length of a circle, and then we have our diameter, which would be the full length of the circle. Now, going back to our circle, our radius would be 4 centimeters, and our diameter would be the whole way across, so it would be 8 centimeters. So we can use the radius to find the area, or all the shaded blue parts of the circle. Now, the area means the inside, so we're going to find this inside using a formula that you might have seen a little bit yesterday, but it's A equals pi times r squared. Now, A is the area, which is what we're trying to find, and the r is our radius. Now, some of you had questions yesterday about what is r squared, right? And so squared just means times by itself. And so in this case, if our radius is 4, we would times 4 by 4. And so 4 centimeters squared would be 16 centimeters squared. All right, so that's kind of the first part. So we take that 4 centimeters, we square it, so we times it by itself, and we get 16 centimeters squared. And now we're going to multiply that by pi. Now, I know everyone has seen pi, but what the heck does it mean? And so pi is what's called a constant ratio, which means it never changes. And so we use 3.14 as our approximation for pi, even though, as you might know, pi goes on and on and on and on. But for this case, 3.14 is completely good enough. And so we have our r squared, which is 16 centimeters squared. We multiply it by pi, which is 3.14, and we get the area of our circle above is 50.24 centimeters squared. And that is our area, which is 50.24 centimeters squared. All right, good luck.